Probably the biggest one that I participate in is the Relay for Life for the American Cancer Society. This is one that has a lot of personal significance for me. I started doing this with my wife actually shortly after she and I first started dating. She's a teacher. She works at an elementary school in Beaufort. And her school every year set up a booth for the Relay for Life. And, you know, I don't know if Gwinnett County still has the largest one in the world, but for a very, very long time, the Relay for Life in Gwinnett County, Georgia was, and I believe it's still one of the biggest, if not the biggest ones in the world. But it has special meaning for Amy and I, and there's two reasons for that. The first one, just prior to meeting Amy, my mother was diagnosed with bladder cancer. And she's a cancer survivor. She's healthy today, thankfully, totally cancer-free, which we're very thankful for. The other reason has to do with my father-in-law. Amy's father, when I met Amy, had been battling cancer for many years. Started off in his bladder and eventually metastasized, went to his lungs and his liver, and unfortunately we lost his father. We lost Amy's father, about a year before we ended up getting married. So that takes on a very, very personal meaning for both Amy and I, because cancer has touched both of our lives in very real and profound ways. So that's probably the biggest thing that we get involved with, because we just think it's so important to be involved and to fight for a cure.